Hello students, in this lecture we will discuss potential due to an electric dipole. Two equal and opposite charges minus q and plus q separated by a very small distance constitute an electric dipole. So first find the potential at a point along its axis. This is add-on position. So we consider a dipole axis, charge minus q and charge plus q are separated by a distance 2a. The dipole center is O. We have to find the potential at the point P, distance r from the dipole center. Let potential at P due to charge minus q is B minus and potential at P due to charge plus q is B plus. So B plus, that is potential at P due to charge plus q, that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by distance of P from plus q, that is OP minus, this is your A, r minus A. This distance is r minus A. So r minus A. Potential at P due to charge minus q, that is V minus, that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. Charge is minus q and distance of P from minus q, that is r plus A. This is r plus A. This distance r plus A. So now the potential at P is given by V equal to V plus V minus, and this is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon 0 into r by r minus A minus 1 by r plus A. We substitute these values and q by 4 pi epsilon 0 is common. So this is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon 0 r plus A minus r minus A minus r plus A minus r plus A by r minus A into r plus A, that is r square minus A square. So this is q by 4 pi epsilon 0 2a by r square minus A square. This is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 2aq by r square minus A square, and this is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 p by r square minus A square, where p equal to 2aq is the magnitude of electric dipole moment. Dipole moment vector is p equal to 2a into q. So magnitude is 2aq. P is directed from negative charge to positive charge. So when the point P is far away along the axis from the dipole center O, for a far point P, R, this R is much greater than A. So r square minus A square, that is approximated as r square. So V equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 P by r square. So this is the electric potential at the point P on the dipole axis. So here you note that V is proportional to 1 by r square. This is in case for dipole, which consists of two charges minus q and plus q. But for a single charge, V is proportional to 1 by r. This is the difference. Then find the potential at an equatorial point or equatorial plane. Potential at a point on the perpendicular bisector to the dipole axis. Minus q and this is plus q and this is the dipole axis. Dipole center is O and this is the perpendicular bisector, which is also called equatorial plane. This plane is equatorial plane. So P is a point whose arc distance r from the dipole center. Join this is your r minus, join P and positive charge plus q, that is r plus. This is A. Now potential at P due to minus q and plus q, that is V equal to net potential at P, V plus V minus. So V plus, that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, charge is q, positive charge, and distance is r plus, and V minus due to negative charge potential at P is, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by, this charge is minus q by r minus, and we note that r plus is equal to r minus, r plus that is equal to r minus. So V equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r plus, and this is minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r minus. So this is q by 4 pi epsilon 0 1 by r plus minus 1 by r minus, r plus equal to r minus, so V equal to 0. Potential at a point on the perpendicular bisector of the dipole is 0, that is potential at any point on the equilateral plane is 0. At P is 0, at O also 0, at dipole center it is also 0. Thank you. Let us find potential due to an electric dipole at an arbitrary point. We consider, so this is z-axis, two charges plus q and minus q are placed on the z-axis. They are separated by a distance d equal to here 2a. Midpoint is O. Now P is an arbitrary point. Distance of P from positive charge is r plus, and distance of P from negative charges is r minus. Distance of point P from midpoint O is r, and this is the angle theta that is made by r with z-axis, dipole axis. Now potential at P due to plus q is V plus, and potential at P due to charge minus q is V minus. So net potential at P due to plus q and minus q is, that is V is equal to V plus and V minus. So two charges, so using principal superposition we can write like this: Vi equal to 1, 2, 2 for two charges. So this is V plus V minus. V plus is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, charge is q by distance is, that is r plus, and V minus is, that is this charge is minus, so minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r minus. So q by 4 pi epsilon 0 into 1 by r plus minus 1 by r minus. So q by 4 pi epsilon 0 r minus minus r plus by r minus into r plus. So we are interested for a far point. What is the potential for a far point? So for a far point from the dipole, r is much greater than d. D is the distance between plus q and minus q. R is much greater than d, where d is the distance between minus q and plus q. So we use approximation. R minus r plus. So we draw this diagram. So this is plus q, this z-axis, and this is r plus for a far point, and this is minus q, and this is r minus for a far point P. These two are nearly parallel, and this angle must be theta. We draw the normal here. This is d, this angle is theta, so this must be d cos theta. R minus minus r plus, so this is d cos theta, so this is d cos theta, and r minus into r plus, that is equal to r square. So using this we find q equal to q by 4 pi epsilon 0 d cos theta by r square. So this is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 qd cos theta by r square, or v equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 p cos theta by r square, where qd equal to p. P is the magnitude of the dipole moment. Magnitude of dipole moment. So this is the potential at an arbitrary point due to an electric dipole. Here theta is measured from the dipole axis. P vector, that is electric dipole moment, that is directed from negative charge to positive theta, directed from minus q to plus q. So theta is the angle between P vector and R. For an axial point, theta equal to 0 degree. When P point is along the z axis, theta equal to 0 degree. So cos 0 degree is 1. So B equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 P by R square. For an equatorial point, theta equal to 90 degree. So cos 90 degree is 0. So B equal to 0.